Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. PHAC opposition leader urges resolution of building permission conflict with MUDA. KHADC opposition leader Tito Stawal Khan calls for official council map. KHADC awaits ministry approval of funds earmarked under 15th Finance Commission grants. And Eid ul-Fitr celebrated with joy and devotion across Shillong. And now for the news in detail. KHADC opposition leader Tito Stawal Khan has raised concerns about the ongoing conflict between the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority over building permissions under the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021. Khan urged the executive committee led by the Voice of the People party to resolve the issue, recalling that the KHADC was notified as an authority to issue building permits within the Shillong agglomeration area. The conflict highlighted by Laban Moprem MDC Ricky Shulai has led to confusion and impacted local residents.
So what I would like to, as I have spoken in the House, the map should be referred to the map of the Himans and Ilakas. What is the criteria to settle the boundary issue? You have to depend on documents. So as the CM of Milliam has brought us the documents of the Hima, I mean the boundary, the map of the respective Hima, so the boundary of the council or the boundary of the state also should be according to their maps. That is our stand.
KHADC opposition leader Tito Stawal Khan has stressed the importance of creating an official map for the council, calling it long overdue. Khan expressed disappointment that the issue has been ignored for years, while praising HSPDP MDC S. Rashir for raising it during the recent council budget session. He suggested the map should reflect the territories of various Himas and Ilakas. KHADC executive member Powell Soklet assured that the executive committee would consider the proposal.
I'm surprised to hear that, as informed by the Honorable MDC from Laban, because during the last 10 years, we have issued permission to this area also. So I don't understand why this happened. So I think this new EC or the new chairman of this authority should take up this matter with the state government, especially with the urban affairs department, to settle this issue, because they have given us very clear that the master plan area or the Shillong agglomeration or the master plan area should be implement this building bylaws.
The leader of opposition in KHADC's Tito Stawal Khan has stated that the council is still awaiting the Ministry of Panchayati Raj to release the second installment of tied and untied grants earmarked for rural local bodies under the 15th Finance Commission. Khan, who previously served as chief executive member, explained that the delay is due to the ministry's recent introduction of a mobile application requiring the council to update the status of ongoing schemes. He also mentioned that executive member in charge of development Powell Soklet had clarified the matter in response to concern raised in the House.
Regarding those schemes which already money is already sanctioned, money already reached in the council, the last EC have issued their order, final order. But the problem now, according to this Ministry of MOPR, that any scheme which we are going to be implemented, you have to have that acts. That acts, that means the GE, before any contractor will start the work, they have to take photo at the initial stage. And in the middle, also they have to take one photo. And in the final stage, that means after completion.
Along with the rest of the world, Eid ul-Fitr is being observed in Shillong with pomp and gaiety, marking the culmination of the fasting month of Ramadan. People dressed in the finest gathered at mosque and Eidgahs for special prayers and exchange festive greetings. The President and Vice President extended their warm wishes to the nation on this joyous occasion.
This is my message. The government should take it. Our support also with them. And I advise the Eid also to be together. Don't be hated each other. We are living in a country where different type of religions are there. We should have that passion to tolerate each other. That's all.
More than 10,000 people gathered at Mirjumala Mazar Sharif Eidgah ground in Thakuranbari, southwest Garo Hills to offer Eid ul-Fitr prayers, marking the end of Ramadan. After the prayers, devotees embraced each other and prayed for global peace. Nazmul Haque, president of Mankachar Mirjumala, called it a symbol of unity and devotion. Former MLA Zabeth Islam highlighted Eid's role in fostering communal harmony and togetherness. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai inaugurated the 10-row Rintathiang Road in Laban today. The road, built at the cost of Rs 4.72 crore under the PWD SPA scheme, aims to enhance local infrastructure. Family members and residents joined the inauguration ceremony. Seven pressure groups from different regions of the state convened today, decided to revive the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization to collectively raise issues affecting the state. Speaking to reporters after the meeting held today, HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram highlighted some key issues the group intends to raise, including the influx problem, the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule, and urging the state government to amend the Constitution Schedule Tribe Order of 1950. The conglomeration to be led by the HYC will include the Achik Progressive Approach, Garoland State Movement Committee, United Achik Social Economic Justice Forum, Jaintia Students Movement, Confederation of Ribhoi People, and Jaintia National Council.
Tingi kwa penlumban langlang haju bat bermitang kau idasun nama mi itu bat mi sotu ya kajingma baab yangi kung ditrai muluk ladangim shim kinu kila lenti ban dawan sorka bikin wanra ya kita ki an ya kita ki kendon ban telakam ya kan kajingru kertap jong ki beri ki panaba kamtam ya kita ki illegal migrants lan kita ki illegal Bangladeshi ki balastang bandrung syakni gabi jongi syakni gajelak jongi Kementa kesni ilarai ban penim lan ban penki im yang ya komsul ka bangin shim ya kiman ki bayade ki bakhta yang ni try muluk kata ya kajak menriu nyautrem kajak menriu kasih jantia makum julu yang diperlok jong nagaru.
In a significant move, the All Lingam organization was revived after 13 years of inactivity, electing new office bearers for 2025-2028 term. On March 29, the organization celebrated its 40th anniversary at Vani Hall, Pinding Ray. The ceremony, led by K. Mausor, saw the election of Dr. Bostik Mausor as the president and Ben Rowell Harsha as secretary alongside 18 members. The program featured cultural programs and the Kusnam Kinmau Timpang 2025 awards, honoring notable figures. Chief guest Pius Marwen, MLA of Ranikor, praised the youth for revitalizing the organization and emphasized the importance of preserving Lingam traditions.
Henry yang mereka cuma bilang apa? Kabangi siap yang tak kecil kecil, benar yang harus tu berim yang kecil kecil.
The Village Defence Party of MEGHALAYA has launched a patrol following complaints about harmful practices damaging local rivers, including the Riwiang and Maling. VDP President Sportlan Tersa condemned the use of poisonous chemicals and current batteries, warning offenders of a ₹40,000 fine under village laws. Additionally, a new regulation bans fishermen from staying in rivers after 4:30 p.m. from November to May to prevent nighttime exploitation of aquatic life. The VDP is committed to safeguarding the village rivers ecosystem.
Halor ne banta ngimta ngil asim garai ba ngil abu dak ayom kata kembut ba nadu upanai November hadu upanai me ngim sa su bantong do hak permit nadu kapor sausteng PM saneng ngim sa su yakine ki panai kumbang ala om ne nadu November hadu upanai me.
In response to the devastating earthquake in Myanmar, India has swiftly deployed rescue teams and 96.3 tons of supplies to Myanmar under Operation Brahma, with 198 personnel, including IAF, Army Medical Corps and NDRF, aiding relief. The team arrived at Naypyidaw International Airport last night. The operation is being led by the commander of the 50I Para Brigade. Operation Brahma highlights India's unwavering commitment to providing timely and effective humanitarian relief in disaster-stricken areas. R.B. Lingwa and her family officially inaugurated a new futsal field, La Ferber Grace, in Saidan village, Ribhoi district. The futsal field was formally inaugurated by Reverend D.S. Roy Mukte as the chief guest. Speaking at the event, Reverend Mukte praised the vision and dedication of R.B. Lingwa and her family in bringing this project to life. The initiative aims to provide young people with a space for sports and recreation, keeping them away from negative influences, particularly alcohol and drug abuse. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 47%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 14.5 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 41%. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 16 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 57%. And forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai indicates that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And now for the headlines once again. KHADC opposition leader urges resolution of building permission conflict with MUDA. KHADC opposition leader Tito Starwell Khan calls for official council map. KHADC awaits ministry approval of funds earmarked under 15th Finance Commission grants. And Eid ul-Fitr celebrated with joy and devotion across Shillong. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.